Welcome in, guys. We're sitting on the side of the Macetown Trail on the Arrowriver here. We're not far from Arrowtown and we've just aired the razors down to 18 psi. Why? We are doing a night run tonight. I have never done a night run in this thing. I don't think I've done a night run at all, maybe a couple, and with only headlights, your vision goes dark when you go underwater. So we've got the laser lamps up the top, we've got the laser lamps on the side, and the Auxbeam Ditch Lights. We have so much light tonight, it should be a wicked time out here. Plan is to do the lower dam route, which is basically looping in down the dam, around and then bomb on back home. Short route, challenging route, overall a wicked time. I'm mad keen, thanks for following along, let's just get to it, shall we? First little sort of climb of the night. Nice easy one. I guess we'll try it in first gear, see how it goes. See if we can get some turbo going. And wheel lift. That was way over the top, but I just wanted to have a bit of that. But into it. It is far warmer than I thought it was going to be. I'm swearing like all hell. Might be running up and down the trails. We're up on the tops now, making our way towards the dam. Having the lights on the roof is insane. Every now and then I'll catch a glimpse of completely the other side of the valley or way down the trail. They are awesome, and very, very happy I have them out today. Now, if you have a fear of heights and have tried to avoid the Macetown Road, don't do this. This is a terrible idea, but in the night you can't see the drop, so you don't know it's there. You know, just saying, it's terrible, don't do it. If you have a fear of heights, don't come here. Coming up on the dam turn off here now. Can do it in one swing, but it's tight one swing. I'm gonna basically hug the bushes and cut the corner. I'm not gonna do this in one swing. Oh yes I am. Oh yeah. This one used to be a bit of a challenge and it still looks like it could be. Just nowhere near as bad as it used to be actually. Oh, there's actually a thing there. Stump. Oh, okay. Walk in the park. This little night run's been a pretty good little adventure actually. I've really enjoyed it. I really want to get out and do a bit more of them. So if you want to see a bit more of them, let me know in the comments below. Now that we're down in the forest here, a bit of a moment to be able to actually compare these lights. So I'll flick everything else off and we're just running high beams and the ditch lights. So wide light spread here, perfect for down in this little tight narrow woodland area here. That's with the single laser lamp on, double laser lamps on, and now the triple laser lamps on. So plenty of light going out. Back at the beginning now, it's come to an end. It's only a short one because we're only out there for a couple of hours. Just wanted to test things out, do a night run and show off the lights. Next month we'll be back into the full length episodes with a few extras on board, and we'll go do something wicked, who knows what. But check out Patreon, we've got our first e-magazine coming out. Otherwise guys, we will catch you in the next one. Cheers team.